17th of December 2025, this happened.
Today, I'm excited to talk about how we're going to help millions of people make it on Base. And the idea starts with a very simple new reality that's only possible with crypto. On Base, everything is tokenized and tradable. Protocols, apps, creators, posts, all of it is directly valued in the free and open market. And this new economy, it comes together in the Base app. It looks a lot like the apps you're probably used to. But here, everything you build and create has value. And scrolling your feed, it actually makes you money.
Think of this app like Instagram, PayPal, mini apps, crypto trading, wallets, all inside one app. So instead of you switching between apps to make posts, make payments, trade, or earn, everything is inside the Base app. Now, here is the most interesting part on this Base app, and I think this is where you will find more interesting and want to utilize very well. You see, Base app also runs weekly creator reward programs. Here is the good part. You don't need to have huge followers. You don't need to be an KOL or an influencer. Even simple engagement like 5 to 10 likes per post can qualify you for reward. So in this place, you can see that consistency matters than popularity. So you can make a post and engage your family member to come and comment and like on that post, and you might be qualified. So let me show you how you can sign up on this app and explore the app to your own benefit. Let's go. Now, there are a few steps you need to take to start making money on this Base app. First is to get the right link, and the link is always available in my Telegram channel. But if you're not in my Telegram channel, you don't need to worry. You can check the description of this video or check the comment section, and if by chance you can't just get it, just comment link. I will forward it to your DM, and then click on the link. Or if you're in my Telegram or you made your way to my Telegram, search for this particular link you're seeing here. Just type base.app. It's going to pop up. Search for it, click on the link, and it's going to take you to your Play Store or your App Store. But in this case, I'll be using Play Store because I'm using Android. So what you need to do is to install the application in your phone. So you click on the install button. After installation, next thing is for you to open the app. So click on the open button you are seeing here, and then it brings you to the registration portal. You see sign in, you see create an account. Sign in, that is if you have an existing account, but if you don't have an existing account, it means that you have to set up one. So you click on create account. It's going to tell you to fill in your email address. So use a valid email because you'll be receiving a code or OTP for you to complete the registration. So once you put the email address, then you click on continue. Go to your email, copy the code they are going to see and paste it in this place. And once that is done, it brings you down to this place, and it's very important. Please choose your unique name. In my own case, I choose Mr. Gibeni. Alright, so this is my own name and is for me alone. I'm not going to share with anybody on this application. So you click on claim, so you're going to claim the name to become yours forever. And then you have to choose your display name. So you can choose your real name, you can choose your nickname. I choose Mr. Gibeni as usual, and I'll click on continue. So the next phase is to upload your profile. Click on the plus sign, it opens your phone gallery. Select the right image you want and upload it and click on continue. Immediately that is done, it brings you down to this place. Now you are welcome to Base app. It's very simple. Now looking at this place now, you're going to see my image. That is my profile. You're going to see trade. You're going to see top. Then below, you're going to see menu. You're going to see search. You're going to see swap button. You're going to see notification. You're going to see wallet. And then you're going to see plus sign. Now let me explain all of them one after the other. Now when you tap on this profile, it's going to show you my profile. I say Gibeni, right? Invite friends if you want to. Just click on it, and you see a link below. You can use it to invite people. And then view profile,
team setting, those ones you know about it. And then the trade is the side where every post that is on trade, you are going to see it, just like this post here, right? You see that below you're going to see 5.4k, meaning that is the current market cap of this particular coin. So if you choose to buy it, you can buy. If you don't want, you can leave it. But if you want to buy, just tap on this place here, then click on buy, then you buy. That's after you funded, but we'll get there. So if you want to just see ordinary posts, where people talk, just make a post without making it to be a valuable asset to trade, then is this side. So you can scroll down to see more. You can see people are posting different things. It mustn't be crypto. Now let's get down. This search button here, click on it. The first thing you're going to do is to search for Gibeni. This way. It's going to pop up. Now you can see Gibeni. The first two are my account. So follow the first one, the one you see Gibeni.base. Click on it and then click on follow button. Follow button is going to pop up. Then let's go to wallets. Now here is my balance. If I funded, you're going to see. So for me to fund, you can see buy. I can use buy button to buy coin. Trade if I want to trade. Send if I want to send. Request if I want to get money. Now you can see all the tweets or all the posts that I've made, and you see I've not made any money from them, right? If you check if I have collectibles, I don't have any collectibles. Then you can click on activities. You see all the posts that I made that have earned $0.04. Now that's what I'm telling you, that you keep accumulating this because you don't know when their airdrop will be coming. So I will always advise for you to always make posts, talk about everything you're doing. If you're into makeup, come and make people up and post it here. Now let's start with how to make a post and convert it for money. So click on this plus sign here, and then you're going to see camera, you're going to see image. So I'll click on the gallery image here, and then I'll click on this silver chart that I saw, and then I'll make a post. All right, and then if I don't want to earn money from it, I'm going to disable this button you're seeing here. You see? But if I want to make money from it, I'll enable it. You see below the dollar sign. Look at the dollar sign here. Now it means that it's on. And now here is the post that I made 7 seconds ago, right? Now if someone purchases this, I'm going to make money, but currently it's going toward that $0.47. So tap on this place and you're going to see it. I made this post. So you see it just went up, and currently 35 seconds ago, you come up here, you're going to see the market cap of that my post is $47. So if you choose to come and buy it, you can come and buy. So click on trade. I can trade that particular post. Look at it below here. If I have money, I can type $100 and then I will trade it, and then I'll make money. So people can come and buy your posts, people can come and share your posts, but most importantly, keep making posts because their airdrop will be coming soon, and because of the post and accumulation of those few dollars you're making, you're going to earn money. All right, so good luck, and this is how you're going to be earning money on this app.
Now, this is something that you should hold to heart, and why you should take the Base app very seriously aside from your earnings. You see, Base is a layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum. Means that they don't have their own blockchain and there is no native token. They can as well be a layer 2 and own a native token. If in future they decide to launch an airdrop, the people who participated on this app are going to benefit better than other persons. So make sure you post, make sure you interact, make sure you trade, make sure you swap on this app. See you again in my next video.